guys, wanted to welcome you into our 6-month luxury renovation, our next Airbnb. Come on in. So it's a 5,000 square foot home. As you guys know, I would love to hear your feedback, opinions, everything. There's gonna be some questions for you guys throughout the video, but this is our first room. It's a giant sitting area. We're still working on it. This couch is actually gonna go where our podcast room is now, and we're gonna get some nice white chairs that we already ordered. This will be going out. We'll have a piano coming in. This was one of the biggest pluses with the house because I really love the new vibe, the modern vibe of these railings. So I'd love to hear what you guys think of the railings, but when people walk in, they really notice the railings. They're beautiful. Over here, this is probably the only room besides the bathroom downstairs is complete. This is our formal dining room. We went with all marble back here, the marble tile on the wall. So all this furniture's new, the light fixture's new, the chairs, we got the wine rack. So if you guys have empty wine bottles, send them my way because we're gonna keep those here. We painted this wall black as an accent wall. We did all the new Italian ceramic tile on the lower level down here. This room is actually gonna change quite a bit. As you guys probably know, it's our podcast room now. So watch our podcasts on the Airbnb Climb. We got great guests and it's called Cut the Curve. So in here, this is gonna be a giant transformation. I ordered $20,000 accordion doors, so it gives the feel of inside, outside. Right here is typically where the kitchen table goes, but it's a great open floor concept. So we have people sitting here at the island, plenty of seats. And again, the formal dining room has tons of seating as well. The kitchen is probably about 60% complete. All new black appliances in. We did the all new countertops, painted the island black, and we did the gold handles here. Painted these white over here. We got the Z-line appliances finally came in. A little tricky, we're still working on this here. We got the marble backsplash. We have to move this up and then also move the electrical up to put the giant hood in, which is gonna be gorgeous. We actually reconfigured the kitchen. So we moved some cabinets. We put our wine coolers, the other beverage cooler there, and then we moved our refrigerator over there to make the kitchen more functional. Microwave and new oven top here from Z-Line. We have the all new thermostats going in soon. Down here, this here, I had a giant closet when the home was built. I turned it into cool mudroom / office. So we got a new desk in here, and then this is for shoes and jackets and stuff as people come in through the garage there. This little bathroom is off the kitchen down here. This is gorgeous. This was one of the first rooms we did finish. So we put in the new marble. Downstairs we use marble. Other rooms we use wallpaper, so the wallpaper turned out amazing. This light I'm gonna move upstairs to the master tub and bring the one that's up there down here. So little things you gotta switch up because when you're in the project there's 1,000 moving parts. A lot of orders are coming in each day, and then you're hiring the subcontractors to come put them in. So we try to be as organized as possible. This here, Oliver did an amazing job. He did 5 rooms of wallpaper. It turned out beautiful. So we're happy with the wallpaper throughout. Love to hear your opinion. We have the new stainless steel washer and dryer, and then I had to put a thing that boosts them up. Jet's over there washing his clothes today. Good job, Jet. So that's it for the downstairs. I'll walk you to the second floor up there and you could check out the upstairs with me. Sweet guys, come on up. And here, originally I had laid the laminate flooring. Downstairs is ceramic Italian. This is that laminate wood that we put in. And I was just gonna paint these here on the stairs, but I decided to go with the luxury. Everything's luxury, the details matter. So I did marble with Miguel on the stairs here. He did a great job. This is my favorite room actually because I'm a big sports fan and love playing pool. Shout out to Art Vandal. He painted this amazing piece here. So my buddy did the hydraulics to this, but for all you sports fans, and I spent a little extra on this one because I really enjoy it, and it's just gonna be a novelty thing when folks come to the Airbnb. So behind it, you have the dartboard, and there's a laser on the floor too, guys, so you could actually know where you're throwing darts. So this is a fun room. We got a big screen TV. The desk will be out of here. That's just where we're working. This will be out of here. Over here we have classic 80 Pac-Man, every game from the 80s. So it's a bar top thing. You could sit down and have some drinks and play some Pac-Man or whatever you like. This room actually goes out to a patio, a balcony. So when I bought the house, I only paid $10,000 option to get this giant balcony that overlooks the giant backyard, half acre. So let's go down to the bedrooms, check out these chandeliers. First of all, this was kind of a big project to get up this high. They brought the scaffold in, then they had to move the original one, but they did a great job installing those. This here, I had a friend do some artwork. She painted this, and then we just added a mirror there. There's 4 bedrooms upstairs. All the bedrooms for the back of where the beds go, we put beautiful wallpaper. So there's a different theme, color scheme for each bedroom. So you can see there's flowers in this one, more of a girly bedroom. And this here is super cool. This is gonna be the music room, chill room. Good vibes. So we got the record player, we got a giant couch. Always we're gonna bury the wires and stuff like that. So there's work to be done on the property. When you're doing over 5,000 square feet or around there, it's much different than like a 1,300 foot property that we've been doing. So it's a lot of fun. This is the 4th bedroom up here. We got a couple bathrooms, 3 bathrooms upstairs. What's next? We have to finish up some things here in July, and then we're also interviewing people to do the backyard. So if you guys know anyone that specializes in bigger backyards, they're a landscape designer, definitely send them my way. Love to talk to them. That's the tour of the 5,000 square foot first luxury Airbnb for our company. So we're excited to share it with you guys. Questions, comments, definitely hit me up. Share it with your friends. We also have our courses out right now. So if you guys want to check those out, that's everything we learned the last 2.5 years in the Airbnb business. So stay tuned. We'll be done with this one in September. So the goal is to launch it September, have our guests booked out October, November, December. Let me know what you guys think. Till the next video, I'll keep you guys updated. Peace.